What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to talk about Chainlink and why I think it is the best investment you can make in crypto for this next upcoming bull run. If that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys watch the entire video. I'm going to go over fractals, long-term, short-term, all the patterns going on right now. If that sounds good to you, smack that subscribe button and leave a comment down below of what cryptocurrency you guys want me to talk about in tomorrow's video. Now let's jump on right into the video. As we jump on right into the long-term time frame, this is on the daily time frame, we can see the similarities between the last two cycles for Chainlink, guys. If you take a look here, this is the kind of the last cycle towards the end. We kind of had this upward sloping channel that we kind of bounced around in for, you know, a couple months here. Looks about 6 months we bounced around before absolutely pumping an amazing percentage here. This is what I think exactly is going to happen in this new kind of cycle here. As you can see, this red resistance line was the resistance, the old resistance back here. We fell below, we came up, and then we started consolidating in this upper channel, and then we ended up breaking through it when this upward sloping channel hit the old resistance. Right after it, we pumped. As you can see in this one, this red line was our old resistance here. We fell down below, we came back up. Now we're in this kind of channel. If we actually zoom in a little bit here, we're in this channel, and look, as you can see, guys, this upward sloping channel is meeting this horizontal resistance right here, and we're almost at it. As you can see back in this one, we pumped right after we got to that little intersection that we can see here of happening right now. Right after, I could see this breakout happening, you know, right, maybe the 4th of July. 4th of July would be a really good prediction. Somewhere between, you know, the 30th of June till about the 4th of July is my prediction for when Chainlink kind of breaks out of this kind of channel here. Here today, guys. This is kind of the smaller time frame. It's something I kind of wanted to look at here on the daily time frame. According to this, we actually broke the resistance line we've been fighting for here. This is the daily close. We actually broke it, and we came back down, and we actually tested it as support, and we wicked. Looks like we wicked below it, but we actually got a nice little bounce, and we're still consolidating above that resistance line. We could call the top of the resistance line the top of the wick here, but I like to use candle bodies for resistances, and I think this plays out exactly perfect. We're staying in this ascending channel, but we're also consolidating above the old resistance, which is very bullish. You know, we say it every video, guys. Right here, we turned the resistance into new support. Resistance into new support. We say it every video. It's extremely bullish price action, and when you do the opposite of turn old support into new resistance, old support into new resistance, you usually bounce down below it and go down. Opposite is true here. As you can see, we're bouncing off this old resistance here and confirming it as support, which is extremely bullish, guys. Once we break this channel, I think that's the new thing. If we can bounce off this and bounce back up and actually stay above this red line and eventually break this channel, we could be looking at a massive pump like we saw back here, guys, from about 4 cents to about 4.5. Yeah, 43 cents. Sorry, I keep saying 4 cents. 43 cents to almost $4.50. So about a 10x. We could be seeing something similar to that happening very soon for Chainlink, as we're playing out pretty much the same cycle as we did last time here, and we pumped. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section below. We're also going to look at the past 2 cycles for Chainlink. I kind of copied the last cycle and pasted it above the current cycle that we're in right now. As you can see, they're very, very correlated, and they're pretty much the same price action, and you can see what happens at the end of this one. As you can see, we got our first initial, this was the end of the last bull cycle. We hit a resistance. You can see over here, we hit the resistance. We came back down, confirmed our first bottom. You can see we came back down, confirmed our first bottom. We pumped back up. We kind of had that next kind of intermediate high. We didn't set a new high, but we kind of hit right in the middle of the old resistance. As you can see here, we came back up, same thing. We came back up, we hit here. We came back down, and then we pumped back up and confirmed the second high, about the same high as the old high that we had back here. As you can see, we came down, we came back up, confirmed the second high, the same as back here, guys, and we came back down. So we have a capitulation, we came back down. As you can see here, same thing here, guys. We had a capitulation, came back down, confirmed the second bottom here. You can see here, we confirmed the second bottom. Pretty much, it's kind of mind-blowing how very similar this pattern is. And then we had a nice V-shaped bottom, came back up, and then kind of traded sideways for a little bit and had our new kind of little local high here. As you can see, we had a nice V-shaped bottom, kind of grinded our way back up, had a nice little local high, had another dump, and then we're starting to pump now. As you can see, we had a little local high. We kind of consolidated, had a little local high here, dumped, and now we're kind of starting that pump. And you can see what happened last time, and I think this is exactly what's going to happen this time as we pump another 5 to 10x. In my opinion, it probably won't be the full 10x because it usually in parabolic run-ups, the diminishing, you get kind of diminishing returns as you go up. I think this thing is going to be getting very, really parabolic, more so in 2021, but I do see a 5 to 10x in Chainlink before the end of 2020, and that's only another 5 months. You keep saying end of 2020, and you kind of be like, that's a long time, but actually we're almost already in July. I mean, we're literally already halfway through the year, so we got to start talking in terms of 2020 and 2021, and not just kind of thinking 2021 is this far off mystery land, because it's literally about 6 months away. So we gotta stay woke, as Kyrie Irving says. You guys are NBA fans, stay woke. We gotta stay woke and kind of do our best to predict what's gonna happen in the next year and a half, instead of the 2 years time frame that we've been thinking of, for so long now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please strap that subscribe button down below. It helps me so much. Makes me want to keep making videos every day for you guys. I love making these videos, and also leave a comment in this comment section down below of which currency you guys want me to talk about in tomorrow's video. I will do the highest upvoted currency tomorrow. Get outside, stop looking at the charts all day. The best thing you can do is clear your mind, stop looking at these charts, maybe look at them for 10, 20 minutes a day of your top 2 or 3 coins that you're invested in, and then get outside. Enjoy life. It's so short. Invest what you can afford to lose in crypto. Set it, forget it, and I promise you guys won't regret it by the end of 2021, or who knows how long it's going to take, but at the end of this bull cycle. It's happened multiple times, and I don't see it stopping anytime soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, get outside. I'm about to go outside. Peace.